and Robert from Move Work Forward. In this section, we are going to discuss the Jigit integration and setup with GitLab. We are going to cover the GitLab integration with Jigit. As you can see already from the Managed App section and the Jigit plugin config, we have two active integrations for GitHub and GitHub app. So we want to add a new configuration. As it is for GitLab, we will select GitLab from the first dropdown. Okay, so if you want to use the development panel, which means no commits will be indexed and only branches and pull requests are going to be displayed, you can select the first option. The standard involves the indexing pull requests and repositories, which is selected here, and displaying repositories in the development panel. If you wish to use smart commits, you can enable it here. And if you want to add Git activities as issue comments, you can select the following. So for the host, we are going to select GitLab. For the path type, for this, we will select a group and we will go to GitLab and just copy the test project here. Paste that in there. Okay. And it'll include subgroups. However, you can remove this should you wish. Okay, so the repository indexation strategy, you can select all repositories or you can select specific repositories. For this, we will leave it as all. You can change the default branch should you wish, and you require an access token. So we will create a new access token in GitLab here. So I've already went to the access token section, provided a suitable name. You can change the expiration date if you wish. And then we have the necessary scope of access. So we have API, read API, read repository, and write repository. If you are unsure, you can see the specifics in the configuration here. So we will generate that access token. And we shall copy that and paste it in here. Okay. So you can choose which branches you want the indexation to occur on. So for this, we will just select all branches. However, you can specify as you desire. For the advanced settings, should you wish specific Jira projects to be associated with the indexation, you can select it here. If you're using smart commits, you can specify how old the smart commits will be indexed for. And these are the default indexation settings. If you wish to change them and set it differently yourself, you can do so by ticking this box. So we're just going to provide a name. So you can specify the name as you wish here, and it'll help you identify your configurations if you have multiple. So you can test your connection to make sure everything is okay. If there's an issue, perhaps your path is incorrect or there's an issue with your token, it'll give you an error message there to address. So we will click save, and now the integration is complete. So if you wish to go back in and edit, you can do so here. If you want to change anything, maybe you want to switch to the development panel, enable smart commits, or perhaps you want to update your token, you can do so in here and then just test it and save it. And you're good to go.